Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix Kenchi lottery app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the app. So I will directly search for here lottery app. Okay, here we can see KY lottery app, Kenchi lottery app. So to fix it you have to just press and hold it here. Then you have to click on this I button. Okay, then here have to scroll down and see for the storage. Just click on here, clear the data. Okay, then you have to open it. If it's worked then fine, if it's not work you have to check for the update. Just go to the google.com and search for here, and you will directly search for the Kenchiri lottery app download. So at here you have to just click on here, and if it shows update here then it's fine. If it's not shows then it's have to reject, you have to follow, then you have to reinstall it. So by this way we can just fix it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.